So what this is a, this was the discharge structure for this pond. So it was fabriform concrete. There was 2 weirs in this structure, the lower one. Then it transitioned up to a secondary weir. Then it had a couple aprons in the front, you know. It's pretty big. It goes pretty much all the way over there, kind of down, all the way over there. So what we're getting ready to do is we're gonna dam this off here. We're gonna put in sheet piling, go across the front here, and then we're gonna do the same thing on the back. Pile the back off, and then tear the rest of this out, and then start getting it ready. We're gonna pour a whole new one, starting with the floors here. We'll do the lower weir and the upper weir, and then do all the aprons, the upstream apron and the downstream apron. See how it goes. So we got the front approach apron pretty much framed in. We got to put the lower board in. We're going to pump this out and put that in. We have to dig a little toe down here. And then we're going to put the discharge apron in. And there's a small splash pad down at the bottom. So we're going to dike this off. We're going to make a ramp going across here, because once we cut this slope in, it's probably not going to be able to cross it with the machine. So we're going to build another dike across the ditch back there so we can cross. Look at this. This is loud over here. Trying to keep that dry over there. We have to do a splash pad right there. We're going to try to do this first. Then we'll try to get that. There's a bunch of groundwater coming up. We're just trying to keep up with it.